increasing the productivity sometimes may be quite difficult. But let me introduce you to some of apps that could help you with it. Let me help you to unlock your life. Starting with Spotify. This is actually an app that doesn't need so much of a presentation. But yeah, it's a music app from a Swedish company that helps you with spending your time with your favorite artists and songs. By 2023, Spotify has around 550 million users worldwide and over 200 premium users. Crazy numbers. The UI itself, it's really easy. And it's not so difficult to find the stuff you want to listen to. I like that it helps you to find a playlist depends on your mood or what you're going to do. Let's say that you need a good song for your run. It's really simple to find it. As far as I know, Spotify is also working with bringing in music videos into the app. Really interesting. But actually, some time ago, I switched to Apple Music because I was curious about it. I wanted to try it out and see how it works. So as you can see, I switched back to Spotify. I mean, Apple Music mostly worked. But there is a reason for why I changed back. The main reason for me to switch back to Spotify is actually podcast. I know that Apple has a separate app for that, but it's a separate app after all. I like the simplicity to have everything I need in the same app. So just as simple to find your new favorite podcast as it is to find your new favorite song. You have also an opportunity to watch some of the podcast with a video. So I guess I like the simplicity with Spotify. When it comes to Lightroom, this app really helps me with the creativity. Taking pictures is one thing, but I like to express my creativity by editing them. It's a really simple app for editing pictures. You can fix every photo the way you like it. This app is more simple to understand than Photoshop, and it does the job for you. Also, the app is really easy to learn thanks to the simple UI. I edit majority of my pictures in Lightroom, even some of thumbnails or other stuff for my channel. And I like the results by using Lightroom. So thanks to Lightroom, I find taking pictures even more fun. As the app does the job for you, you don't even need to edit the photos by yourself. The app itself creates editing recommendations for you, and you can simply use them instead. You can still adjust some things if you want to. Yeah, so by that, this app opens many possibilities for you. The other interesting thing is that creators around the world can upload their own editing profiles that you can download and use for your photos. And if the recommendation from the app itself is not enough for you, you can find thousands of different profiles for you. By this, everyone can share their creativity to the world. It's just incredible. Sometimes you need to take a fresh breath, or you may just want to take a rest. Either it feels too much, which is totally okay. Calm may be the key to find the right balance for you. Calm is mostly a meditating app that I use as much as I can. But this is a very deep app with few other functions I will tell you more about soon. The navigation through this app is really simple, and the look of the UI is incredible. You can choose between different background sounds to get in the mood for meditation. Then you can find the right program for you to meditate with. I use often 30 Days Mindfulness for Beginners by Jeff Warren, which helped me a lot to have a better understanding about meditation. There are also plenty of other programs made by well-known persons, such as LeBron James. Of course, you can also meditate by your own, without any program. I thought that meditation is something people just made up. I was really surprised of the power of it. Like I said, the background sound can help you to get in the mood for meditation. You can also choose everything from a sunny beach, a rain in a forest, a sound of a lake, or even a thunderstorm. A normal session for me takes around 10 minutes, and in the world of constantly stress, even 10 minutes can help you much. The major fact is that the mental health is as important as the physical health. Giving a try for meditation could not only help you with finding your right balance, but also help you with improving your productivity. Another good feature is that the app can help you with improving your sleep and the sleep quality. The app has sleep stories recorded by many well-known names, so the stories has a lot of quality. It's a really amazing app, worth to give it a try. So, what do you think about my app advice for this time? Let me know which app helps you with improving your day. Thanks that you took your time and watched this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the future content. Always a pleasure to talk to you. Take care of yourself, and to the next time. Bye.